Hey guys, so I'm really excited now, but just so y'all know, I'm so sorry if you hear background noise. There's a TV on, so just don't mind it. But I got a new vacuum today, a vacuum that we did not get here in the United States. Vacuum I'm really excited for. And there's gonna be a whole lot of tape on this thing, so hold on, I brought my scissors, okay. I think it's obvious what it is. I don't know if it's gonna say in the title of this video, but if it is, y'all know I'm excited. Oh yeah. So, hold on. You gotta take out the hose. Because the hose is stuck. It's not gonna be the easiest unboxing I've ever done, I'll tell you that. You can already tell what it is, just based off of the handle. So, as you can tell, this is a Dyson Dc01. So let's see what kind of fading this machine has had. Okay. We're definitely a little bit faded. I don't know how well you'll be able to tell, but look at the handle right there. So it is a little bit faded, but it's actually in really good condition. The handle is not broken. The hose actually looks like it's in really good condition. The button is a little stiff, but it's okay. Now, the pictures on this thing didn't look too promising, if I'm being honest. I ordered this February 3rd, either February 2nd or 3rd, and today is February 22nd. So it took its sweet time getting here, and boom, there we go. That's everything. I did have to order new filters for it. I was aware that this does not come with filters. And in the pictures, it looks like there was like an oily thing all over it. I'm not sure what that is, so we're gonna open this and see. I hope it's not broken, because this traveled all the way from the UK, and this plastic is old. So, we are gonna find out. Oh wow, it looks really good. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, I'm really happy. It looks really good. It smells like a used vacuum, but nothing too bad. I do know this does have brand new wheels. Okay. So, I was aware that one of the wheel covers was broken, but the other one did break off in shipping. That is most likely gluable. I'll have to get the residue off of that. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to run this. I do have UK to American plug adapters, but this is, you know, a lot, so we'll see if it will work, because I have them on me right now. I can go get them. If not, I would love it if someone could help me out in the comments or wherever someone wants to help me out to figure out where I can get a converter. Okay, that works. Now, it definitely looks a little bit faded, but I mean, considering this is from 1998, this vacuum is older than me. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's a Dyson Dc01 right there. Let me go grab the new filters. I ordered 6 filters, and I ordered belts, but the wrong belts came, so I'll probably have to order belts again. I don't know if the belt in this is good or not, so we'll have to find out. I don't really want my face to be in this, so because I don't look good right now. So we're gonna come down here, even though my face is probably gonna be all up in this. So, to empty it. Oh, that is not good. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's gross. Yeah, this is gonna need a... What's this? 0870. Okay, I think that one's the one. This is gonna... I'll turn it on for a second, but this is really gonna need a 100% full new everything. Like a completely stripped down service. How do you open this? Imagine you just pull right there, right? Or do you push in right there? An American struggling with a British vacuum. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's, ow. I don't think it matters which way these filters go in. And yeah, these are generic filters, so I don't expect them to have the most perfect fit. There. I think it went in. No, it went in this way. Perfect. There we go. Let's check out the base. Oh. So clearly this was clogged, because look at all that. Yeah, okay. I don't even, yeah, look at all that. Ooh. This is probably gonna need a new brush roll, because it doesn't feel good at all. And I know the lighting in here is really bad, I'm sorry. Let's just see how it sounds. It has a round plug. Alright. Let me see. Okay, it is off. Let me go grab the UK to American converter plug. See, I just have these. I have a strong feeling these are not going to work. But it is worth a shot, I suppose.
I think the thing that Angie struggles with the most is just always thinking about the worst case scenario. I don't know if she always knows how freaking stuck she is.
You know what I noticed? This cord is not very long. But it is actually pretty short. Dang. Okay, so we are going to... I'll plug it into this back one. Okay. The vacuum is technically plugged in. Let's see if it blows up. Oh, I'm nervous. there is no suction. So I don't know, see, I've never used a Dc01, that's the issue. So I don't know if this is running, you know, low. I don't know if that's its normal power. Oh, listen to that. But where is the suction? There is a little bit of suction. So, okay, I guess we'll just try it. So the motor sounds weird. Does not sound like a Dc01. But again, that could be from it being run in America with a converter, because there's almost no suction. And I just know that that's not right. But I mean, it's picking up, but if we compare this to one of the latest technology Dysons, there's just no comparison. So, we'll have to see. Because definitely does not sound normal. Brush roll sounds bad. There's also no tools. But yeah. I mean, I certainly did not expect it to run well, because it's not, it's a British vacuum, and but anyways, so that's the Dyson. This will get a complete overhaul. Like, it's probably gonna need a new brush roll. It's got the new filter. It's gonna need a new belt. It's gonna get polished. It's gonna get everything. If it needs a new motor, I'll give it to it. Whatever it needs to do, because this is going to be a display vacuum. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this. I know this was not too long, but it was pretty simple. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.